How to do proper hand washing steps by WHO technique.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Hand washing can help yourself and loved ones to stay healthy, especially at this time of pandemic. Proper hand washing should be done within 20 to 30 seconds duration. Hand washing should be done regularly. Here's how you do the proper hand washing. 1. Wet hands with water and put soap on palm. 2. Palm to palm rubbing firmly. 3. Palm over dorsum with interlaced fingers. Alternate right and left palm. 4. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. 5. Backs of fingers to opposing palms with finger interlocked. 6. Rotational rubbing of thumb clasped in the palm. Alternate with the right and left thumb. 7. Rotational rubbing backward and forwards with fingers in palm. Alternate with left and right palm. 8. Rinse hands with water. 9. Close the faucet without using your washed clean hand. Use your elbow or a paper towel after drying your hands. 10. Dry your hands with a clean towel or disposable paper towel. Important things to know. 1. Why do we need to do hand washing? We need to do hand washing because hands are the pathways of germ transmission. Hand washing is the most important measure to avoid harmful germs. 2. How do we do hand washing? We can use antiseptic or alcohol-based hand rub if hands are not visibly soiled. We can also wash our hands with soap and water. 3. When do we do hand washing? Hand washing should be done before and after eating, after using toilets, after sneezing or coughing, after playing outdoors, before and after being around with someone who is ill. 4. Who will do hand washing? All, anyone, everybody, should do hand washing. Tip: singing a song that lasts 30 seconds can reinforce kids to a habit of cleaning their hands properly. Hand washing is our own responsibility for ourselves. Healthy life, happy life. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe and God bless. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Click the bell icon for more upcoming video notifications.